Tropical Storm Agaton, Most Welcome Storm. Tropical disturbance Agaton has an international name of Umayis. This is the first typhoon to visit Philippine area of responsibility, but according to Philippine Atmospheric Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration, or PAGASA, this typhoon will not make any significant impact at any part of the country. Typhoon Agaton was spotted 1,000 kilometers east of Catarman, northern Samar, with maximum sustained winds of 55 kilometers per hour, and it is moving northwest at 26 kilometers per hour. PAGASA has not raised any public storm signals at any region in the country because it is likely to bring heavy rains, but there are chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. This typhoon caused just minimal damage to infrastructure and agriculture sectors, and it has left no victims. Typhoon Agaton has considered to be the most welcome storm as the country had been badly hit by drought due to El Niño. Farmers in the different parts of the country have been raising their hopes that the Typhoon Agaton will dump enough rain water in the farmlands. This is Anne of Synergy.